What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. We're back in the shop today, and we're doing something that I haven't done in quite a while, and that's actually build a computer for a customer. So I pretty much stopped building computers somewhere around 6 or 7 months ago because I realized most of the people I was selling individual parts to were not people looking to buy computers. It was people that are selling computers. So I had a lot of repeat business and a lot of return customers, and it just didn't make sense for me to be trying to compete with them, especially the ones that are local here to me, because I'm trying to sell a computer and then they're trying to sell a computer with parts that they bought from me. It just made sense for me to just keep bringing in parts, buy them in bulk, split them up, because it's a lot better to sell 10 CPUs and 5 motherboards and 5 graphics cards and RAM and stuff over and over again than it is to sell one computer, because your average buyer for like a gaming computer buys one gaming computer and they use that thing for years. So whereas your average reseller, they're gonna need parts all the time. So that's the business model I changed to. But unfortunately, there are some existing customers out there that I've built computers for in the past, and this is one of them. And he contacted me and he's like, hey man, I need 2 computers for both of my sons. I want them to be pretty much identical. And I'm like, well, I have some of these cases and left over from when I was building salad rigs, so I can do same cases, same motherboard, same RAM, same everything, same graphics card, because he's like, we don't want one to be feeling some kind of way or some not kind of way. And luckily I had everything in stock, so I could get it together. I don't have to wait on shipping time, and it works out to be some good budget build gaming computers for him and his sons. He said that one of them is into a lot of like Photoshop and like photo editing and stuff like that. So these builds are getting Xeon platform, X99 platform motherboards and processors. We're going to be using the I think it's the 2650 V4s, which are 12 cores, 24 threads, and they will absolutely shred some video editing, some photo editing. Shouldn't have an issue there. His budget was pretty low, so that hurt our video card selection, but I did have some RX 5700 XTs, and they are Sapphire Pulses, which, if anybody knows, for AMD, Sapphire is one of my favorite brands, and I had 2, I think I have 3 of them that were all matching, so I can plop those in those rigs, and then they have matching coolers, matching motherboards, matching everything, to try to keep it all uniform. I'm gonna get some. Anyway, my son wants some more veggie straws, and then I'm gonna set up this time lapse and start building out this second one. I've already built out the first one. I got Windows installed on it. Everything's in there, and we're all hunky-dory. So we'll be right back. All right, so I got that one together, all installed, updated, and everything. And then I have this one, and I'm using the same Corsair Dominator RGB RAM, same RGB cooler, same RX 5700 XT Sapphire Pulse, and then the 12-core Xeon. And some people are going to be like, oh my God, why'd you use a Xeon? They're horrible for gaming. Well, luckily, one of them apparently is big into Minecraft, and the other one's big into photo editing. So I think for the budget that they had, this is gonna do them absolutely well. They got 12 cores, 24 threads, shouldn't have an issue, because if we were gonna, jump into the world of modern CPUs, they wouldn't have gotten, they might have gotten more performance per thread or per core, but it would have limited them even more on the graphics card side of things. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one buttoned up and get it looking like that one right there, and then we're gonna go drop these bad boys off. By the way, shout out our Zopa monitor. I love the fact that you can power it off of a USB cable. See, watch this. Ready? Isn't that cool? I don't know why I just feel like USB cables don't hold that much power, but it's enough to run this monitor. And look how thin it is. Yeah. All right, guys.